So, this is Sanibel. Oh, not Sanibel. This is Fort Myers Beach. After the Ian hurricane, this is where the water washed away a lot of structures here. Some missing people because they don't want to leave the area. And it was
Why is there a bunch of trash there?
It's a very strong hurricane.
Oh, look at that building.
Yeah, let's look at the building here. Oh, totally damaged. Wow, totally damaged building.
Well,
So they have to.
Like it literally, like. ran
Still a
over
lot
some
of rubbles
houses.
there.
Yeah, the water came up here.
Yep, like 10 feet
We'll let
maybe.
this guy go. He looks a little impatient. It's a cowboy.
Yeah.
Yippee-yay!
This is Diamond the Hotel. Some structures stayed strong, but I'm sure they have damages. Maybe electric.
Wow, look at that clump of tree.
Oh, yeah.
Ooh, look at that house.
Ooh, let's see that house. Ooh,
Yabba dabba.
indeed. A lot of repairs to be done.
Ooh, see, this was a hotel.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, they're still under repair. Beaches.
Is this the hotel?
No, honey, we're just sightseeing.
Yeah, we're just looking. It looks like people can park anywhere. Right?
I guess. I had the Hummer, I'd pull right up in there.
Yeah, it looks like everything is under repair here. See, they're repairing that one. Oh, the repair guys. Some hotels stood sturdy here. Most of it were gone. Look, that it might even caught a fire there.